today we're making chicken fillet with polenta and a mustard and honey glaze and some green beans. And this meal clocks in at 686 calories, 58 grams of proteins and 79 grams of carbs and 12 grams of fat. So we're gonna start off by adding salt, pepper and thyme to our chicken and 3 grams of butter to a meat pan. And then it's time to get started on our glaze. And our glaze is going to be 1 deciliter of white wine, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and later on we're going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce as well. Now we want to bring that to boil, and when it starts to boil it's going to boil over real rapidly. So you need to pay attention to this. Just take it off the heat and let it calm down when it does, and then put it back on, and it's going to do that 2 or 3 times, and then it's going to be completely fine and you're going to be able to reduce that without any problem. Then it's time to start with our polenta, and that's going to be 60 grams of polenta and 3 deciliters of milk. And everything here will come together or be done roughly at the same time. So the chicken will be cooked when the polenta is done, and then the sauce will be reduced to a nice level as well. And it boils over pretty fast, so you need to pay attention. But as I said, 2 or 3 times, and then you will be able to reduce it without any problem. The milk is also something that has the possibility to boil over, but since you're already there, you can pay attention to that as well. And then we add the 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And when you've come this far, you can add salt and pepper, and then your milk should be starting to boil as well, meaning that it's time for us to add our polenta. That needs some salt and pepper as well, and all you need to do then is stir it occasionally. If you don't, it will burn to the bottom of the pot, so you don't need to stir it all the time. Just don't let it sit for too long or it will burn to the bottom of the pot. Then you can just reduce the polenta to the thickness that you see fit. This is how I like it. Maybe some people like it a bit thicker. When the polenta's got into that stage, our sauce will have reduced this much. You can reduce it further if you want, but I prefer a bit more sauce than just a glaze, so this consistency is how I like it. So your chicken should be cooked as well. I like to bring mine to 68 degrees roughly. You can as long as you keep it at 68 for a couple of minutes, it's going to be fine. And that's it. We are done. So, thanks for watching and hope you enjoy. And also I linked a spreadsheet to this recipe as well, so you can change around the portions or the serving size as you see fit, and you will also see the calorie content for everything there. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy.